enjoy feeling new, yeah. Showing up with my best self. Bam, look at that. I'm feeling good. Alright. I'm feeling good. Alright. Ooh, jiggy jiggy, so shake down. I got the feeling with the move like I'm going hard, make it break down. Like this, like this, like that. Whole lot of colors. They love us, yeah. We turning their heads, cause they know we're the best, and we taking them back like this. Do ya, do ya, do ya, you gotta do ya, do ya, do your thing. Do your thing. Let's go, let's go.
And thank you kay Sir Rolly sa ilang team, sa Dole o sa Peso Office, kay grabe lang accommodation sa atong tanan, wag talagutom. This program is lower your pride and sacrifice yourself.
Daghan kong nakatunan, and kita po diba, daghan na nakatunan so.
Paano mo, ganda po sa nila. So before ko namin yung job start ay wala ko plano sa kinapoy this style of
Soft-hearted ko pag-ingon ni Sir about na sa family. I am self-dependent. Gikan ko, Maguindanao. Pangita lang po work, sorry. Very emotion ko kay layo ko sa akong parents. So, thank you ko sa Jobstart kay tungkol sa Jobstart, makapagita na dyan ko work dahil. That's all.
Ako karon na-post yun akong self-confidence tungkol na aning programa. Salamat sa atong Jobstart team o Kamayor Parex Oy.